Yo guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are creating the Fibonacci sequence in C++, and let's get started into it. So the Fibonacci sequence is a series where the next term is the sum of the previous two terms. The first two terms of the Fibonacci sequence is 0 followed by 1. And the challenge that we are facing today is generate Fibonacci sequence up to a certain number that was inputted. So let's get started into it. So we are firstly going to include iStream, so include iStream, and we are using namespace std, so the code will be a bit shorter. Then we are going to need the main function here, and obviously we are going to return 0, so it will be running. And now, what we'll have to do is to declare the previous two terms, so term 1 and term 2, and the next term, and we need to create a variable for the number that we are going to input. So, first we're going, let me type in, so int term 1 equals to 0, and also term 2 equals also to 0, no, to 1 actually, because the first two terms of the Fibonacci sequence is 0 followed by 1. And then we are going to create the next term, so next term equals to 0, and we will also need to have the input numbers, so n, yeah, just n. Then we are going to create the input here, so cout enter a number, and we are going to take n as a input, so cn n. So in order to show the first two numbers here, so the first two terms of the Fibonacci sequence is 0 followed by 1, so in order to show them, we are going to print them, or in C++ cout them, Fibonacci series. Then we will show the first term, so term 1. Then it will follow up by a comma and a white space. Else, and then we have to show the term 2, and it will also be separated by a comma and a white space. So the next term equals to term 1 plus term 2, because as it is written here, so is a series where the next term is the sum of the previous two terms. So the previous two terms are, in this case, t1 and t2, so term 1, term 2, and the next term is equals to term 1 plus term 2, because this is the sum. And next term is equals to the sum of term 1 and term 2. Then we will need to make a loop, so while next term is or equal to n, we will show in the console next term, and so followed by a comma and a white space, and we will make term 1 to term 2, and term 2 is going to equal to next term, and next term will be equal to term 1 and term 2 again. Term 2. So I hope you can follow me. So term 1 will be equal to term 2, term 2 will be equal to next term, and next term will be equal to term 1 and term 2. So this is the code if it doesn't show me any errors. Yeah, so basically I switched these two and now it should work. So we are going to need to enter a number. So let's enter, for example, 100. And it did its job, so it went up to the highest number next to 100. The number 100 won't be because, let me explain what happened here. So 0 plus 1 equals to 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 5 plus 8 equals to 13. 8 plus 13 equals to 21. 13 plus 21 equals to 34. 21 plus 34 equals to 55, and 34 plus 55 equals to 89. So why we couldn't make here the 100 written is because 55 plus 89 is because 55 plus 89 is 144, I think, and it's over 100, that's why it isn't shown here and the process is exited here. If you liked the video, leave a like and comment what topic my next video should be. Otherwise, subscribe to me, it would help out a lot for growing my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.